This jumbo-sized rustic peach white chocolate scone has a decadent buttery and creamy white chocolate crumb, bursting with peach inside a crisp caramelized crust, swimming in vanilla ganache glaze, and is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. In a small bowl, mix 60 grams flour with 10 grams brown sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then rub 20 grams cold butter into the flour to a coarse crumb. Stir in 20 grams frozen peeled and chopped peach and 20 grams white chocolate chips. Add 5 grams vanilla extract to 40 grams cream and gently mix into the flour until a shaggy damp dough develops. Shape the scone into a round disc and drop it into the middle of the skillet greased with butter and sanded with sugar. Score the top with a sharp knife to create an X that cuts halfway through the dough. Brush the top with a thin layer of cream and a dusting of brown sugar. Bake in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven until golden brown and cook through about 20 minutes. To make the vanilla ganache glaze, heat 10 grams cream to near boiling and pour over 20 grams white chocolate chips. Leave for a minute to temper the chocolate through before stirring, then mix in 5 grams vanilla extract until smooth. Allow the scone to cool down to room temperature, then release it from the skillet and pour the vanilla ganache glaze over top.